One of the classes I debuted at Stitches West was my How to Sew Knits on Your Sewing Machine, but instead of just working with small pieces to sew different seams and end up with a workbook or a reference guide for future projects, I'm going to show you how to sew knits on your sewing machine while making a really cute knit backpack or knapsack. So let me just switch my view here so I can show you that. So this is the knapsack. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. And it's really a fun, easy project. And actually, I have a few garment sewing techniques hidden in this bag. For example, the finish on the pocket is the way you would finish a neckline or armhole. And then the casing for the drawstring is also another technique that can be used to finish a neckline or create a yoga pants waistband. So there is garment sewing hidden in this project, which is kind of cool. We're going to be learning how to sew knits without them stretching out. I'm going to introduce some really great products like knit stay tape and stretch needles and everything you're going to need to know to sew knits. There is a supply list and pre-class instructions because we're going to cut out all the pieces and then you'll have these step-by-step instructions. So if you want to make another knapsack, you'll have those instructions, because in the class at Stitches West I had a few moms that had children, and so they wanted to make one for each of their kids. So it was really a fun project, and actually one of my students said, "Oh, this is so satisfying," when she finished her knapsack. So it's a really fun project, and instead of ending up with a bunch of scraps that you'll have as a reference, you'll end up with a finished project. So in addition to finishing edges, I'm going to show you how to butt up seams and use the triple zigzag to add a little decorative touch to the straps. Okay, so you can see it there. And it's just a really fun project. So this class is going to be with Master the Art of Sewing on April 16th. No, I'm sorry. That's when you can enter the contest. This class is going to be from 10 to 1 on Saturday, March 19th. And it's a Zoom class, so you can do this class with me right from your own sewing room, and it's going to be a lot of fun.